Have you ever noticed that as the weather gets cooler, our tastes start to change? All of a sudden, we start craving soups and stews and one pots that'll warm us up from the inside out. And when it's something that can come together in just minutes, all the better. So what do you say we whip up a fast favorite that delivers comfort in every bite? We start by sauteing some kielbasa or smoked sausage until it's browned. Once it is, we remove it to a plate. And in the same skillet, we saute some peppers and onions just long enough for them to get tender. At this point, we toss in some chopped cabbage and let it cook for a few more minutes. Then we add our sausage back in, along with some chicken broth, caraway seeds, and a bit of salt and pepper. While this simmers and everything gets nice and tender, it's time to call the troops to the table. See, I told you this dish had comfort written all over it. Between the sausage and all the veggies, this one is sure to fill you up. To get the recipe for this one-pan wonder, all you have to do is go to our website and look for Skillet Sausage and Cabbage. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a warm and comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.